Welcome to So Very Easy. My name is Laura, and today I would like to get my sweet treat table runner quilted, hopefully in time for Christmas and a little bit of the new year. Now there are two really main shapes in here. We have these angular triangle shapes and sort of this circle shape. So I'm going to pull in those two shapes. I'm going to use a circle and something that is sort of like a triangular shape. And I'm going to combine the two of these, but they're going to be very random. So I'm going to have a little bit of triangle, a little bit of round shapes, and a little bit of triangular shapes. Now, this is a table runner, so I am going to be using Hobbs Premium batting. So it's going to lie nice and flat, and I'm going to be able to wash it afterwards. I'm using white for the top and white for the back. And I do have some fun candy fabric for the back. I will be using an older ruler from Handy Quilter, and it is the 45-degree ruler. I'm also going to be using a circle ruler, and this comes with a set from Bernina. So I'm going to start and pull up my thread. And the first shape I'm going to work on is this triangular shape. And the idea is just to get this shape. So I'm going to stitch a little bit, stop, turn the ruler, stitch a little bit, so I can go back and forth and get this triangular shape. So I'm having these angles throughout an area. I can go as big as I want or as small as I want, and then switch the angle. So I can go from one side to another side. I could even start in the center if I'd like. And just keep switching that angle. I'm going to do a little section, then I'm going to pop on that circle. We can cross over lines, we can make them big or small, it won't matter. Now I'm going to pop on that circle, and I like that it just fits in, so I'm going to be able to do that inside. And I'm not doing the complete circle, I'm just going to a certain point and then changing. So it's just going to be random circles. And of course, you can always back a little bit if you need to. Having these two different size shapes means we're going to be able to get some small areas done and some large areas done. So you can see where I have those round shapes and those angular shapes. Switch up to my angles. I could see an area here that I would like to quilt, so I'll just put that little angle in. And I'm going to be able to just keep going. So here's an area that I did those round shapes to represent the round candies, and then went into those triangular shapes. And as I was quilting this, if I had an opportunity to stop at a previous thread line, I did. Now I wasn't really over concerned about it if I did or did not, but if I had the opportunity, I did stop in little areas that had some thread lines. So I have my straight lines, my little circles. It is all done. It was quick to do. The back is a lot of fun. You really don't see the stitching with this busy fabric, but it's fun just the same. So you can see how much fun this is. Those straight angles represents these straight lines, and the circles represent my little candies. And it really doesn't matter what circle you use or what straight edge you use. You could even use a straight ruler if you don't have a ruler that gives you that triangular shape. I just liked this shape because I was able to stop in the corner and then continue down. So I did have some nice sharp points. And if there's a spot that's missing, those little circles and triangles can fill in those holes. I do hope you give it a try. It really is a lot of fun, regardless if you have a sit-down machine or you're going to sit at your domestic. Thank you for joining me today on Sew Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, and I do have a newsletter. It's all free under Sew Very Easy. And be sure to make every day a Sewtacular day. Bye for now.